Hello and welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to save your Gmail email to Google Drive on mobile. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to save your Gmail email to Google Drive on mobile, you can follow these steps. So first thing you're gonna do is open up your Gmail. Then open the email you want to save to Google Drive. Now, tap on the three dots on the top right corner of the screen, then select Print. Now, pinch to zoom out on the print preview until you see the Save to Drive. Tap the three lines on the upper left corner of the screen and you can choose the drive you wanted to save. And now you can choose the folder and just click Save. So, please take note that this method will be save the email as a PDF file in Google Drive. You can also use third-party apps such as Save Emails to Google Drive to save emails directly from Gmail app to Google Drive without having to print them first. So that's it. I hope that you learned something and this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, can you put it in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!